Hey everyone, Kat here. As you guys know, just about everything I learn on YouTube. And Pete and I are starting up an eBay store again. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, going to their lives, and meeting some really great people. There's this one guy called Prison to Profit, great guy, wonderful fellow. I've learned a lot from him, but he told me about the bin stores. These are not Goodwill bin stores, they're bargain bins. And what these people do is they go and they buy stuff by the pallet loads from liquidators, or, you know, when stores are going out of business, or Amazon returns, and it's just Amazon discontinued items. And then they dump it all into bins. And you go in there, and the first day is $5, second day is $4, third is $3, 2, 1, and then at the end of the $1 day, they say come in and fill an IKEA-sized bag for $20. Anyway, I have gone several times just to scout out to see the different things that are there. 9 times out of 10, what's there on the dollar day is there on the $5 day, so I kind of cut back. I go on $1 day, which I didn't go this week because I have to sell the items that we purchased before. I don't have storage room for anything else, really. So anyway, I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up for $1 that we'll be putting on eBay. I got a wired optical mouse. It's a GE for $1. Oh, and this resale bins is in Zephyr Hills, Florida. Or bargain bins. It's in Zephyr Hills, Florida. I also found a Resale America in Lakeland, Florida that, yeah, when I clear out some of the stuff I currently have, that's going to be my go-to store. I'll still support this guy because he's just wonderful. But, they have bins full of stuff. I mean, totes full of stuff. Not totes, what am I going to say? Pallets. They have pallets full of stuff for various prices. One pallet he had that I had my eye on, but, you know, I got to thinking, I don't think I can make $350 back selling on YouTube. But it was all craft supplies. And I saw Tim Holtz. I saw Hobby Lobby labels in there. I saw Michael's labels in there. Joann's. I mean, there was some killer stuff in that store. Not just craft supplies, but he had totes full of Ryobi tools from Harbor Freight and Home Depot. And each pallet has a list on it. It tells you what's in it. I wish I'd have bought that craft one. I really do, because that was an awesome deal for $350. There's probably $3,500 worth of stuff in that one tote. But right now, like I said, I want to clear out the stuff I have. So $1 for a GE mouse. This is the wireless network PC card, and it's the freedom to work where you want. We have one, and it works really good, and it's from Lynx. But anyway, yeah, this was $1. And then these are great for RVs, camping, wherever. Or if you just have bad slow internet, these work really good. Then I got the Eero outlet mount for the mesh Wi-Fi system. We also have one of these in our RV. Depending on where we're at, you know, where our stuff is. And everything you see, I pay $1 for it. Then I picked up, this is a HD8 tablet case. Nicholas has one of these, the exact same one. Brand new, never been opened. I paid $1 for it. And from Amazon, and this came from Amazon as well. And if he can't destroy it, nobody can. Okay, there's a second one of that I bought. Then I got another jigsaw puzzle because the first one sold. And it's a little Tiger jigsaw puzzle. And I just picked this up because it was laying there. It's an iPhone 6, 7, 8 Plus tempered glass. And then, this is what I got craft-wise there. And I'm thinking this is going to go to the fry for the hardest December kits. There's a bag full of snowflakes, a bag full of stars, and they all have their own little rawhide hangers. A bag full of little ornaments. A bag full of reindeer. A bag full of snowmen. And a bag full of Christmas trees. All of it was in this plastic bag together for $1. So I'm thinking this will go to the Disabled Artist Foundation. And any of you resellers that are watching this, if you have things like ink pens, colored markers, or anything that a disabled artist could use that you want to donate, let me know and I'll put you in touch with the founder of the Disabled Artist Foundation. She does great things for people with low income who can't afford to buy craft supplies and stuff. I have another box. Let me clean this stuff up first. And I'll show you what's in the bigger box. But like I said, we went a couple of trips. And, just picked up random stuff here and there. Now this next one I am freaking out over. Because I was in Hobby Lobby looking at these, and I didn't want to pay $24.95 for them. Craft scrapbook frames, 12 by 12, and you can design your own frame and put your collage in here of whoever you want or whatever you want, even if you just wanted to make a collage picture and frame it. $1, $24.95 at Hobby Lobby, and I got 2 of them, and that's all they had. But I will be watching for them when I'm back in that area. Then I got the birth record frame. So, yeah, I got 2 of these. And it's kind of neat. Well, it is really neat. You put the baby's picture in it. Great-grandparents' gift. And then you have the name and the length, time, name, date, and weight, all engraved in here. And Kirkland's engraves, Things Remembers engraves, or you can just buy an engraving tool yourself and do it if you have a steady hand. But I just thought these were adorable. I don't know if camera's picking it up, but it's a little woodland nature, like little tiny animals and stuff engraved in it. So I thought these were great. So I got 2 of these. I know I'm slow, I'm sorry. So just put this on here. And then, I got these angel bells. They are 2013 collectible Christmas ornaments. And I got 2 of these. And they're both 2013. They're both identical. But it's Badcock Furniture and More. So yeah, I kind of like those. I picked those up. I got this to send to my sister to collect Barbies. And she says it's not the 2013. And I got this at the Resale America store. But it has on here, Happy Holidays Barbie, Special Edition. Somewhere I saw the date, 2013. No, it's 1996. Okay. So maybe, because she showed me a picture of her 2013. So this is 1996 Barbie. And I got this at the Resale America store. And yeah, I paid $9.99 for it, but, it's worth it because I think if I went to resell it, I would probably get a whole lot more than that for it. But, you know, like I said, I'm going to send this to her because she loves her Barbies. It came with a little brush. And I think they crocheted this and added to it. I don't know if this came with it, but it's a little bag. And she'll get a kick out of it. And then, I don't know about this yet. I found this there, and I haven't looked it up or anything, but it is a punch and emboss system, and it says punch or emboss anywhere on your page, and it only came with this one, this circle, but it says you can buy them. So I'm going to look on Amazon, you know, the internet, and see, can you still buy them? I don't know what the age of it is. I don't know if it's even, you know, still something people use. So I have to do some research on this, but I figured, what the heck. If I can get these cartridges for it at reasonable prices, I may just keep it myself. I'm not sure yet. But this is what we have picked up. And they will be going in our eBay store, which is Grandpa's Attic Clearance Store. And the reason it's clearance is because, as you know, we have other stores and things, and the things that we put on eBay are things that we can buy low and sell low, and, you know, keep a profit, but, you know, help others get things too. Anyway, watch me not get this back in the box. That's what I have picked up so far at the Resell America and the bin stores. And from time to time, I will visit some more, and then I will show you the things we got. See you later. And don't forget, check out Kathy's World. But all of the buying and selling will be on this channel from now on. Okay, thanks. Oh, I have some camping videos coming up. Can you believe it? Finally, some camping videos are coming.